Long before the first Europeans set eyes on the Amazon, this vast rainforest was home to thriving civilizations. Indigenous peoples shaped the land for thousands of years, cultivating crops, creating rich terra preta soils, and leaving behind mysterious geoglyphs etched into the earth. Far from being untouched wilderness, the Amazon was a living mosaic of human ingenuity and natural abundance. In 1541, Spanish explorer Francisco de Orellana became the first European to journey down the Amazon River. He wrote of fierce tribes of women warriors, inspiring the river's name, the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical forest on Earth, covers more than 5.5 million square kilometers. It is home to 1 in every 10 known species. A living treasure trove of plants and animals found nowhere else. Here, the air is thick with heat and moisture. Rivers the size of seas carve their way through endless jungle. And the rhythm of rain dictates the very heartbeat of life. Towering trees rise above the canopy, clouds form and drift, and entire ecosystems unfold layer by layer, from the forest floor to the emergent giants. In this video, we'll take you on a journey deep into the Amazon rainforest, exploring its incredible wildlife, its unique climate of heat and rain, the fascinating history of this vast jungle, and so much more. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more amazing documentaries. Now, let's begin our adventure with the first chapter, The Wildlife of the Amazon. In the depths of the Amazon rainforest, the jaguar, Panthera onca, reigns as a silent and powerful predator, moving with a stealth that belies its strength. The jaguar's build is compact yet muscular, its fur patterned with rosettes that blend into the dappled light of the forest. As the largest cat in the Americas, it commands both land and water. Able to swim effortlessly, pursue prey in rivers, and crush shells and bones with a bite among the strongest of big cats. These solitary animals maintain territories spanning many square kilometers, marking boundaries through scent, scratch marks, and other signs rarely noticed by human eyes. Female jaguars raise cubs alone. The young are born blind and helpless, spending much of their early life hidden and protected until they develop the skills needed for hunting and survival. In the rivers of the Amazon lives the giant otter, the rainforest's master hunter. At nearly 6 feet long, it glides through the water with speed and power. But what makes it truly remarkable is teamwork. Giant otters live in close families, hunting fish together and guarding their territory with loud, piercing calls. On the riverbanks of the Amazon, the capybara, world's largest rodent, grazes peacefully. Weighing over 100 pounds, these gentle herbivores live in groups, always alert to danger. Jaguars, caimans, and anacondas stalk them, but the capybara has a secret escape: water. Strong swimmers, they slip beneath the surface, vanishing from predators. Calm and resilient, the capybara is a true survivor of the Amazon. High in the canopy of the Amazon, a slow and gentle creature makes its home: the sloth. Moving at just a fraction of the speed of most animals, the sloth has evolved to conserve energy in a world where survival depends on patience. With long claws and a strong grip, it spends most of its life hanging upside down, feeding on leaves that few others can digest. Its slow movements and greenish fur, often covered in algae, make it nearly invisible to predators like harpy eagles and jaguars. Though it may seem lazy, the sloth's strategy is brilliant. By blending perfectly into its surroundings and keeping energy use to a minimum, it thrives where speed would mean certain danger. In the vibrant canopy of the Amazon rainforest, few birds capture attention quite like the toucan. With its oversized, brightly colored beak, the toucan is one of the rainforest's most iconic residents. That bill may look heavy, but it's surprisingly light. Made of hollow keratin, it helps regulate body temperature and pluck fruit from branches too small to support the bird's weight. Toucans are expert fruit eaters, playing a vital role in the Amazon's ecosystem. As they fly from tree to tree, they scatter seeds across the forest floor, ensuring new life takes root in the dense jungle. Yet their diet is not limited to fruit. Toucans will also eat insects, eggs, and even small reptiles, making them resourceful survivors. After the toucan, another icon of the Amazon skies takes flight: the macaw. With feathers bursting in shades of scarlet, blue, and gold, macaws are among the most striking birds on Earth. These powerful flyers roam the canopy in pairs or flocks, their calls echoing across miles of rainforest. Macaws are more than just beautiful. They are vital to the Amazon's survival. Feeding on fruits, nuts, and seeds, they act as gardeners of the forest, scattering seeds wherever they go. Their strong beaks can crack even the toughest shells, allowing them to eat what few others can. Bonded for life, macaw pairs are symbols of loyalty, seen flying side by side, grooming and sharing food. But beauty comes with danger. Harpy eagles and humans threaten their survival. Still, their intelligence, strength, and dazzling colors secure their place as one of the rainforest's most unforgettable residents. Beneath the surface of the Amazon's rivers lurks a fish with a fierce reputation, the piranha. Armed with razor-sharp teeth and a powerful bite, they are expert hunters, feeding on fish, insects, and sometimes larger prey. Though feared for feeding frenzies, most piranhas are cautious, striking only when food is scarce or blood is in the water. Small but formidable, the piranha remains one of the Amazon's most legendary predators. In the forests of South America, the armadillo roams the undergrowth, protected by its remarkable armor. Its bony shell, made of tough plates, shields it from predators, and when threatened, some species roll into a tight ball. By day, it digs through soil with powerful claws, searching for insects, grubs, and roots. Small, elusive, yet perfectly adapted, the armadillo is nature's living tank. High in the Andes, a relative of the llama has been a companion to people for thousands of years: the alpaca. Gentle and social, alpacas live in herds, grazing on mountain grasses. Their soft, warm fleece is prized worldwide, making them vital to Andean culture and survival. Calm, resilient, and beautifully adapted to thin mountain air, the alpaca is one of South America's most treasured animals. In the grasslands and forests of South America, including the edges of the Amazon, a strange yet remarkable creature wanders: the giant anteater. With no teeth and a tongue over 2 feet long, It feeds almost entirely on ants and termites, tearing open nests with powerful claws. Its shaggy coat and slow walk may seem harmless, but when threatened, those claws can fend off even jaguars. Unique and specialized, the anteater is one of nature's most extraordinary insect hunters. High in the treetops of the Amazon, the squirrel leaps with speed and agility. Feeding on fruits, nuts, and seeds, it plays a vital role in spreading life across the forest. Always alert, its sharp eyes and quick reflexes help it escape predators like snakes and birds of prey. Small but essential, the squirrel is a lively thread in the vast web of the rainforest. In the slow, winding rivers of the Amazon, the green anaconda moves like a shadow. This is the heaviest snake on Earth, growing more than 20 feet in length and weighing over 200 kilograms. Perfectly adapted to water, it stalks silently beneath the surface, waiting to ambush prey that ventures too close. With astonishing strength, it coils around victims such as capybaras, caimans, and even jaguars, squeezing until escape is impossible. Despite their fearsome image, anacondas rarely threaten humans, preferring the cover of swampy backwaters. For centuries, they have inspired myths and legends, representing both fear and mystery in the rainforest. As a top predator, the green anaconda plays a vital role in keeping river ecosystems balanced. It is home to one of the ocean's most formidable hunters, the bull shark. Unlike most sharks, the bull shark can survive in both saltwater and freshwater. Traveling from the Atlantic Ocean deep into the Amazon River. Stocky, powerful, and aggressive, it is among the few shark species capable of thriving in rivers, where it preys on fish, turtles, and even mammals that stray too close to the water. Bull sharks are responsible for more attacks on humans worldwide than any other shark, earning them a fierce reputation. Yet in the Amazon, encounters are rare, as the murky waters conceal their presence. As a predator that crosses boundaries between ocean and river, the bull shark is a symbol of adaptability and raw strength, a reminder that in the Amazon, danger can come from unexpected places. In the treetops of the Amazon, capuchin monkeys swing and chatter, their intelligence making them one of the rainforest's most fascinating primates. Small but quick, they live in social groups where grooming, communication, and cooperation are key to survival. Capuchins are skilled foragers, using rocks to crack nuts, sticks to dig out insects, and sharp eyes to find fruits hidden in the canopy. Their resourcefulness has earned them a reputation as some of the cleverest monkeys in the New World. Yet life is not without danger. Hawks, snakes, and jaguars prowl nearby, forcing the monkeys to rely on sharp calls and teamwork to stay safe. Playful, curious, and endlessly inventive, capuchin monkeys reflect the intelligence and adaptability needed to thrive in the Amazon's complex world, proving that survival here belongs not only to the strongest, but also to the smartest. Along the flooded edges of the Amazon River, the elegant egret stands motionless, a white silhouette against the green of the forest. With long legs and a slender neck, it wades silently through shallow waters, waiting with perfect patience for the flicker of a fish or the ripple of a frog. In an instant, its sharp bill strikes with lightning speed, securing its meal. Egrets are expert hunters, feeding on fish, amphibians, and even small reptiles. And their graceful presence is a familiar sight along riverbanks and lakes. Beyond their beauty, they play an important role in keeping aquatic ecosystems in balance. In the heart of the Amazon, where every creature competes for survival, the egret thrives with a simple but powerful strategy: stillness, precision, and elegance. High above the canopy of the Amazon soars one of the most powerful birds of prey on Earth, the harpy eagle. With talons larger than a grizzly bear's claws and wings built for maneuvering through dense trees, this raptor is the undisputed king of the rainforest skies. It hunts monkeys, sloths, and other arboreal creatures, swooping silently from above with incredible force. Despite its size, the harpy eagle is remarkably agile, able to twist and dive through narrow gaps in the canopy in pursuit of prey. Revered by indigenous cultures and feared by the forest's animals, the harpy eagle symbolizes strength and precision. Yet it is also vulnerable, threatened by habitat loss as the rainforest is cleared. Both fearsome and majestic, the harpy eagle is a living emblem of the Amazon's untamed power. In the dense gardens of the Amazon, the hummingbird dazzles with wings that beat faster than the eye can follow. Some species flutter up to 80 times per second, allowing them to hover in mid-air like tiny helicopters. Their jewel-toned feathers flash emerald, ruby, and sapphire as they dart between flowers, sipping nectar with their long, slender beaks. Beyond their beauty, hummingbirds are vital pollinators, spreading life from plant to plant in the rainforest. Though small and delicate, they are fierce defenders of their feeding territories, chasing away rivals with astonishing speed. In a world of giants, the hummingbird proves that size is no barrier to strength, playing an essential role in keeping the Amazon in bloom. At the heart of the Amazon lies the Laguna, shimmering lagoons formed by rivers, rainfall, and seasonal floods. These still waters mirror the emerald canopy, creating a refuge for countless creatures. Piranhas, caimans, and electric eels patrol beneath the surface, while herons, egrets, and jacanas glide across the edges in search of food. During the dry season, lagunas shrink, concentrating fish and drawing predators from miles around. For local communities, they are a source of life, offering fish, water, and a pathway through the forest. These tranquil pools may appear peaceful, but they are vibrant theaters of survival, where predator and prey meet in delicate balance. The Amazon's lagunas are not just bodies of water. They are cradles of biodiversity, sustaining the pulse of the rainforest. Perched patiently above winding streams, the kingfisher waits. Its bright plumage glinting in the sunlight. With sharp eyes, it tracks the movement of fish below, before diving headfirst in a blur of blue and orange. Emerging with its catch, it displays the precision of a master hunter. Kingfishers are more than just striking birds. They are symbols of the Amazon's connection between sky and water. Found along rivers, lakes, and lagoons, they help control fish populations and bring balance to aquatic ecosystems. Their presence is a reminder that survival here is not only about strength, but about patience, timing, and perfect adaptation to a watery world. Bright and small, the poison dart frog is one of the Amazon's most striking yet deadly creatures. Its skin glows in vivid shades of yellow, red, and blue. A warning to predators that even a single touch can be lethal. These frogs secrete powerful toxins, strong enough in some species to stop the heart of a large animal. Indigenous tribes once used their venom to tip blow darts, giving the frog its name. Despite their danger, poison dart frogs play a vital role in controlling insect populations and serve as indicators of rainforest health. Beauty and danger fuse perfectly in this tiny amphibian, proving that in the Amazon, survival often hides in the smallest forms. In the treetops of the Amazon, the parakeet fills the air with flashes of green and bursts of chatter. Traveling in large flocks, these small parrots move together in dazzling displays of coordination. They feed on fruits, seeds, and blossoms, spreading the forest's life with every meal as they scatter seeds across the canopy. Though their calls can seem noisy, they are vital for communication, warning each other of predators or guiding flocks to new feeding grounds. Playful, social, and endlessly active, parakeets embody the energy of the Amazon's skies. A reminder that the rainforest's strength lies in both sound and color. Deep in the shadows of the Amazon rainforest prowls the puma, also known as the mountain lion or cougar. Solitary and stealthy, it is an apex predator, capable of hunting capybaras, deer, and smaller mammals with silent precision. Unlike the jaguar, which thrives in the water, the puma relies on agility and speed. Leaping great distances and striking with lightning reflexes. Its elusive nature makes it one of the least seen large cats of the Amazon, yet its presence is crucial for maintaining balance in the ecosystem. A symbol of strength and adaptability, the puma is a reminder of the hidden power moving silently through the jungle. Along the riverbanks and wetlands of the Amazon, the scarlet ibis dazzles the eye with its brilliant crimson feathers. Feeding in flocks, it probes the mud with its long curved beak in search of crustaceans, whose pigments give the bird its striking red hue. When dozens rise into the air together, their wings paint the sky with scarlet. A breathtaking sight against the green forest and blue water. These birds are not only beautiful, but also play a role in controlling aquatic populations, maintaining balance in fragile wetland ecosystems. Graceful and social, the scarlet ibis is a living splash of color in the heart of the Amazon.